And Maryland is getting ready for the impending storm. Everyone is talking about the governor declaring a state of preparedness ahead of the snow. Governor Wes Moore cautioning families to avoid travel this weekend if possible, also to follow local forecast and make sure you're ready for the wintry conditions. He says crews are already prepping for the roadways, and the State National Guard is strategically placing specialized vehicles ensure that they can rapidly, so that they can make sure they are quickly responding to communities when they are in need. So everyone is preparing. We're talking about just preparing. I think that's the word of the day. Yeah. As many are wondering how many inches we're going to get. How bad is it going to be? Well, we may not know everything just yet, but the key thing is at least we would be prepared.
And they always talk about, well, at least I have, be aware of your older neighbors, right? Your elderly neighbors or those who may, have other disabilities or other concerns, the other struggles. And encourage your neighbors. I always do that, including my mother, who's not my neighbor. Mom, do not worry about getting that bleeping mail or anything, out the mailbox. It's going to be there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because my mom's always 20, 30 days ahead of her bills and stuff like that. Don't worry about getting the paper for those that may still get the newspaper. All that stuff will be there. Just stay safe, stay indoors.